Welcome back to another Lavu tutorial where I'm going to show you how to use and build happy hours in your menu. Happy hours can be used in two ways in Lavu. The first adjusts prices of your menu items, offering discounts or setting them equal to a specific price. This is what most people think of when they hear happy hour. The second limits an item's availability to only certain days of the week and times of day. If you have something like a brunch menu that's only available in the morning, then you can use a happy hour to prevent your servers from adding those items in the afternoon during your dinner service. Regardless of what kind of happy hour you want to create, the first thing I would recommend doing is going into advanced location settings, scrolling to the end of account settings, and ensuring that this setting here is disabled. With this turned off, you will be able to make as many happy hours as you want, rather than being limited to only one per day. Now let's move into the menu and select happy hours from the list on the left. To add a new happy hour, simply click Add New. Give the happy hour a name, set the days of the week and times of day that you wish this happy hour to be active. This sets your happy hour up on a weekly schedule that will automatically activate once it has been applied to your menu items. Next, you will set the effect of the happy hour. Choose either price or availability. If you select price, set it to either decrease, increase, or equal to a specific number. If you are increasing or decreasing your price, you can choose to do this by a specific dollar amount or percentage. Finally, choose how you want this happy hour to affect your modifiers. Most of the time this won't apply, so you can just select none. But if you have prices coming from your modifiers like sizes for a coffee, then you should select both forced and optional modifiers. The final step will be to assign this new happy hour to the menu items you want it to affect. Find your menu category and click Category Details. Scroll down to the bottom where all of your happy hours will be listed and select Enable from the dropdown. Multiple happy hours can be enabled per category, although that is fairly uncommon. Click Apply, click Save, and then reload settings on your point of sale. So long as your iPad is within the time frame of your happy hour, you can test it out to make sure it works. For your happy hours that impact price, it's important to know that you won't see any indication that a happy hour is in effect, although the price will be different. In this example, my drinks are ringing up for $2 even though in my control panel they are set to $5. This is the result of a happy hour. It's a bit more obvious with availability-based happy hours because items outside of their hours will be grayed out. A more advanced technique you might try out is overriding the effect of a happy hour on a menu item. Instead of enabling the happy hour for the entire category, you can enable it for a specific menu item. You will then have the option to change how the happy hour affects availability or its price. This opens the door for loads of different pricing structures that are all automated on a week-to-week basis. Happy hours can also be used to create rotating menus or daily specials using the availability settings. There are a ton of different ways that happy hours can be used, so if you need any assistance, please reach out to our 24/7 customer support team through call, chat, or email. Check out our channel for other videos related to menu building, hardware, and more.